How to open YouTube video using QR code. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser and go to Canva. Log in with your account details and create a new design. Once you do, from the left hand side menu, go to Apps, choose the option of QR Converter. Click on any one of it. Then after you will see the option to enter the URL. Simply go to the text box and paste the link of the video for which you want to create a QR code. Then click on Generate QR code, and as you can see, the QR code for that YouTube video will be created on your design. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.